Some people don't just hear sad news, they carry it for days. They don't just watch a movie, they live inside it. A single harsh word can echo in their mind for weeks. If that sounds like you, this isn't weakness. It's a nervous system wired to process the world at full volume. Psychologists call it sensory processing sensitivity, and it shapes about 1 in 5 people. But here's what almost nobody tells you. Feeling everything deeply usually starts long before you can remember. Today, you'll learn the 7 hidden patterns of deep feelers and the surprising place they come from. Stay until number 7 because it changes how you see every one of the others. Number 1. They absorb other people's emotions like a sponge. A deep feeler walks into a room and instantly senses the tension. Nobody said a word, but their body already knows. Brain imaging shows highly sensitive people have stronger mirror neuron activity. Their brain literally simulates what others feel. That's why a friend's bad day becomes their bad day. It makes them wonderful listeners, and it makes crowded places absolutely exhausting. Number 2. Small moments hit them like waves. A song from years ago, the smell of an old book, a stranger's kind gesture. Things most people barely notice can move a deep feeler to tears. Their brain processes sensory input more thoroughly, not more weakly. Every detail gets tagged with emotional meaning. So ordinary life feels extraordinary, beautiful, but heavy. They don't overreact. They simply receive more signal than everyone else. Number 3. They replay conversations for days. Did that comment sound rude? Why did she pause before answering? A deep feeler's mind runs every interaction through review, again and again. Psychologists link this to depth of processing, the core trait of high sensitivity. Their brain refuses to file an experience away until it's fully understood. The upside? They learn from moments others forget instantly. The downside? One awkward exchange can steal a whole night of sleep. Number 4. Criticism cuts deeper than anyone realizes. A casual remark that others shrug off can wound a deep feeler for weeks. It's not fragile ego, it's biology. Their emotional response system fires stronger and holds on longer. Many learn to hide it behind a calm face, so the people around them never see the storm underneath. They just see someone who went a little quiet. Number 5. They need solitude like others need sleep. After a party, a meeting, even a happy family gathering, they feel drained. Not because they dislike people, because they processed every second of it. Alone time isn't avoidance for them. It's recovery. Their nervous system needs quiet to file away everything it absorbed. Without it, they become irritable, foggy, and overwhelmed. With it, they return warm, present, and fully themselves. Number 6. They sense what others miss. The friend who's smiling but not okay. The tension behind a polite email. Deep feelers read between every line. Studies show highly sensitive people notice subtle changes others overlook. It's like living with the volume turned up on human behavior. This makes them the person friends call at midnight. But it also means they can never fully switch off. Number 7. And this is the one that explains everything. For many deep feelers, this wiring was shaped in childhood. Some were born sensitive. Science says the trait is partly genetic. But for others, a childhood on emotional high alert trained their brain to feel everything. When a home feels unpredictable, a child learns to read every face, every tone, every silence. Noticing feelings early meant staying safe. That child grows up, but the radar never turns off. So if you feel everything deeply, your sensitivity might be a skill you were forced to learn. And that changes the story completely. You're not broken, you're trained. Here's the truth about feeling everything deeply. The same wiring that makes life heavy also makes it rich. Deep feelers love harder, notice more, and connect on a level most people never reach. The goal was never to feel less. It's to protect your energy, choose your people, and let the depth work for you. If you recognized yourself today, share this with someone who feels everything too. And subscribe to Psychology Untangled, because next time, we untangle why the most self-aware people are often the least happy.